So those of y'all that don't know what's going on right now, I'm about to start my car conversion. I'm about to strip out the back seat and the passenger seat. And those of y'all want to hang out and watch me do my thing, you're more than welcome. If you guys don't want to, I understand. I pinned the live goal today at 1,000 roses. The reason why I pinned it at 1,000 roses was basically so that I could work and not have to keep on coming back and forth and repinning another goal. You feel me? Thank you to everybody that has been very supportive and loving and helping me out on this journey. Thank you to everybody that donated, hit my Amazon wish list, and helped me get a lot of stuff to convert my car. And soon, pretty soon, hopefully, if all goes well, I'll hit the road at the end of September. And those of y'all who don't know, I plan to travel throughout the United States and meet up with a gang of my TikTok friends and followers. You feel me? So, thank you for hanging out, y'all. So there's like 4 bolts in the back. So Kias, right? Well, at least my Kia. I don't know about other Kias, but they don't come with spare tires. They basically come with this kit right here in the trunk. It's, I guess this is an air pump. I didn't even know I had an air pump. And I guess it's supposed to inflate your tire enough for you to go to a tire changing place, whatever. But that's one thing I don't like about my Kia. They don't have no spare tires. That shit's hella like if I'm out in the middle of the road when I'm traveling or whatever, and I get a flat, what if I'm like hella far in the boondocks? Basically, the kit, it just lets you inflate your tire to give you enough air to get to the tire shop. So that's one thing that keeps me hesitant about hitting the road, is the fact that I don't have a spare tire, because y'all know I'm finna be out there whipping. You know what I'm saying? One screw down, 3 more to go. 2 screws down, 2 more to go. Oh, I didn't expect this to be this much work, bro. Three screws down, 1 more to go. This one is a hella tight fit, bro. That one was a hella tight fit, bro. But I got it. 4 screws down. So I just found like 2 more screws. Ugh. Gotta unscrew these seatbelt screws. I got 3 screws. And I got my first cut. Yeah! I'm a motherfucking mechanic. Thank you everybody that's hanging out with me right now. Thank you everybody that's been gifting me. Major shout out to everybody that's been donating to my Amazon wish list and helping me get all the stuff I need to convert my car so I can hit the road and travel. I'm finally getting it cracking now. I told myself I'm gonna stop procrastinating, and even though I don't plan to take off until September sometime, I figure I just start. I figure I just start doing as much as I can now, so that they don't. When I get ready to hit the road, it won't be that much more left for me to do. You know what I'm saying? And I be procrastinating a lot. But last night I was sitting there thinking to myself, like, bro, what are some things that you really need to do and stop BSing on? And stripping out my seats and clearing out the car so I can start getting ready for the conversion is something that I've been BSing on. You feel me? But now it's about to go down. So I thank all of y'all for like following me on this journey and being a part of it. And just know that this is just the beginning phase of the journey. It's gonna get more and more fun, more and more adventurous, more and more crazy. You feel me? Soon I'm gonna be traveling across the United States, and I'm gonna be coming through and meeting up with y'all. Man, these screws on tight as hell, bro. Which is understandable because you don't want your car seat to be flying out on you when you're in the car accident. You feel me? But damn. It's my last screw right here. And then I'll be able to take out the back seat. But then I gotta do the passenger seat as well. But one screw at a time, y'all. Bam! Yeah! Can y'all see? Okay. I finally got the back seat out. Whenever you have a dream, right? Pursue your dream. Even though sometimes it feels like it's overwhelming or like it's too much to capture, I just recommend that you just capture little bits and pieces of it until you capture the whole entire thing. Thank you, Don, for the roses. So my dream is to convert my car and travel and hit the road, right? But it's a lot. Like, there's a lot of logistics involved, a lot of like financial worries, a lot of worry of the unknown, a lot of worry about Sosa being comfortable or not, etc., right? But it's still a dream that I want to capture. And so by me stripping out the seats right now, it's just a small part of the steps I need to take to reach this goal or this dream. Feel me? So far I took out the back seat. Now I gotta take out the passenger seat. Let's get it. I don't know if y'all can see, but let me see. don't know if y'all can see. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Okay. I think y'all can see better there. That's 2 screws. So the front 2 screws, it had this cap thing covering them, right? So I had to go figure out how to bust them caps off. But I got them off. So now I gotta get these 2 other screws. Something to be on there tight, bro. Got him. Need 1 more. Two screws. The hell going on here? So it got all kind of like little plugs and stuff that goes into the seat. I don't know what the hell they are. But I don't know how to unplug these suckers. Okay, that's one. So they got these plugs that go to the underneath the seat, right? I have no idea how to unplug these suckers. There's 3 of them and I unplugged one. But ah, ha! I got another one. So that's 2. I gotta get this last one. Come on, motherfucker! I have no idea how to unplug this plug, bro. It don't have no snap, it don't have no button. It's just on there. I got it. Ah! I got it. Ah! Okay. Ah. How's everybody doing today? Damn it. I freaking knocked over my socket set. Ah! If it ain't one thing, it's another. It's some bullshit. I ain't even putting them back all right. I ain't even put them back all right, all correctly. I just put them back. I ain't got time for this shit. Maybe one day in the future, I'll put them back in order, but not today, Jack. Now that I got the seats out, I don't even know what the hell I should do next. Well, let me show y'all what it looks like. So, this is the inside of my car, all stripped out. You feel me? So I basically gotta build a platform about I gotta build a platform about this high or higher, probably about this high, so that everything underneath could be storage. You feel me? All this space under here could be storage. So I gotta build a platform from over there. So I gotta basically build a platform for this whole entire space right here, all the way to the passenger seat. Cause this side is where I'm gonna be laying. You feel me? I'm really thinking about taking out the seat belts. That way they don't be in the way. But I also worry that one day, if I do decide to put my seats back and turn my car back into a normal car, that I'll mess up the seat belts and everything. So I don't know what I should do. You feel me? But basically, y'all, this is the start of my conversion. I'm gonna clean it up now. I'm gonna put the seats away. I'm gonna vacuum my car, clean it up, and I don't know what the next step is gonna be, but as long as you take one step at a time, you figure it out eventually, right? Thank y'all for joining me. I'm gonna clean up, take a shower, and maybe later on I'll go live again and hang out with you guys some more. We'll see. Hey!